Did you know? In Antarctica, there's a waterfall that flows with a deep red color, almost like blood. It's called Blood Falls, located at Taylor Glacier in Antarctica. The red color doesn't come from blood, but from salty water rich in iron. The water comes from a reservoir of briny water trapped beneath the ice for millions of years. When it reaches the surface and comes into contact with oxygen, the iron oxidizes, turning the water a reddish-brown color. Even more surprising, the briny water beneath the glacier is extremely cold and dark. Yet scientists have discovered microbial life capable of surviving in this extreme environment. This is one of the strangest natural phenomena hidden in Antarctica.